Yo, I had a side bitch, a fly bitch, told her to kick rocks. When she mad, she be tryna make my shit hot. Yeah, I might slide with you, I like to hit dots, but can't spend time with you, go get a wristwatch. You owe me, you pay me, like you run gunplay. So what is 50 cent? I need mine by Monday. These niggas don't want no money, they want bay. That broke can't even take on one date. Fiend out outside, look like you 1-8. Washed up niggas like homie lost dumb weight. I be going stupid now, I'm getting dumb cake. Your man sleeping on me, now you at some weight. Smoking dope, might get pulled over. This real gas, I could probably start a bulldozer. Real swag, I like hoodies I could pull over. No matter what, I got a zip on.
Hey ladies! What up, fellas? How y'all doing?
Beat your ass and have the Bible if God watch you. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified policeman in the morning, I'm just going with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say drink, I hear you like I'm young. You better never go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. Tell me chill from him, wanna get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case where I see it round. Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck 'em up. Wop, 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 wop. I'm a damn stuff. Why you tryna make a bitch? Ain't you tired? Tryna strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. They not
get it. Fellas, what's good? What's good? Yeah, it's hot, but fuck it. We alright. What's going on, man? Setting up the pot. Boy, that shit's right. God dang. What up? What's good, fellas? What's good? Yo. Yeah. Hey, ladies.
I don't wanna be saved, I'm saved. Happy for everybody, nigga, don't play me. Hit a nigga tryna tell me what to do. You ain't my daddy, I'm not your baby. He don't wanna be saved, don't save him. That is not my nigga, don't crave him. About 20 bitch house, he faded. White boy, basic, he don't wanna be kept, don't keep. He don't wanna take that beat.
Bust it on the beat. Hell no, I ain't going back up. I ain't see it. I'll sit on them motherfuckers. Stop, bro. Beat your ass in the Bible of God watching. Somebody got to pop out and show niggas. So let's go with him. What's going on? What's good? What's good? Baby, what's up? What? Probably A minor. They not like us. They not like us.
looking like dope. Friends call me guns, sons call me tripe. Cause the quick to slide off the slide is been your wife.
What's good? What's good? What's good?
How to treat her, I guarantee Peter knows how to hit the end. It's in the ground, so relax. I'm using necklace in the rock and Rolex. In a lounge Rolex, and I love sex. In a way, so set, never trying to flex like that. God rest your soul, but when you're playing cards with guns, it ain't no time to ho-ho. It's not a crazy thing, but I'm telling you, it's all the same. Brooklyn niggas get crazy move. That's because when the speed ain't scared to shoot.
All them niggas know how to bang. Hey, y'all put it down, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Put it down. Hey. Stay right there. Stay right there. Whatever you eat and it look good, god damn. I just might need to park up here. I'm from Brooklyn.
All the people that lived above the buildings that I was hustling from, that called the police on when I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle, you know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rapping back Mr. Magic Marley Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape hot. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the Ready Black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard, you never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I run tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the World Trade. Born killer, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Used to bar G, Lucy B, Kid Capri. Funk Master Flex, like Club Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call the flip, same number, same hood. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga.
Excuse me, miss.
You got that whole chair. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. It's the 10 crack commandments. Yeah, tell me nothing about this code. Tell me about this crack. Hustling niggas. Let's go to call. I ain't forget you niggas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've been in this game for years. Made me animals, rules to the shit. I wrote me a manual, step by step booklet for you to get your game on track. Got your wig pushed back. Rule number uno, never let no one know how much dough you hold. Cause you know they try to breed jealousy, especially if that man fucked up. Get your ass stuck up. Number 2, never let them know your next move. Don't you know bad boys move in silence and violence taken from your eyes? I just squeeze mad clips at these cats for they flips and chips. Number 3, never trust nobody. Your mom set that ass up properly gassed up. Good eating ass up. For that fast fuck, she be laying in the bushes and light that ass up. Number 4, know you heard this before. Never get high on your own supply. Number 5, never sell no crack when you must come. They wanna out, tell them bounce. Number 6, that goddamn credit, get it. You think the crackhead band with back, shit, forget it. 7, this rule is so underrated. Keep your family.
I just wanna know how long your battery lasts, nigga. Shit.
it over with right now. God damn. No, that's good.
That's good?
That's good. It's loud and it's clear.
I think they got a generator.
Probably so. I believe it. But, matter of fact, right, and the light on the back I ain't want to give you a shot. Yeah, I heard her.
No, you did.
Yeah, I did hear her.
What'd she say?
She don't look. She said, I don't care what I look like. But she look good though. Them eyes. Woo.
I told her, I said, the light is doing something for your eyes. You getting that right?
Right. You know I got it.
You see it?
You already recorded. You know I got it. You know I got it. It's going to be all on YouTube. Yup. I got to do it. I got to do it.
I get paid for
What you need? I got you. What you need? I work. That's why I work hard. What you need?
Oh, he got his.
Yup. My YouTube, my Instagram, everything. Yup. Where your phone at? I tell you what you do. Open your camera.
Oh, that's got a QR code.
Open your camera.
That's got a QR
I hate to catch you eating, but Jesus Christ. Ain't no thing you better eat. Hey, Miss Lady.
Hi, baby.
How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm good. I'm good.
Good.
Hit my Instagram. You all on there.
Okay, I will.
Hey, ladies. How y'all doing? Hey. When you what? Your toes look good though. You got a husband? Boyfriend? No? Somebody gonna suck on him, don't worry about it. Hey. It's not like that.
It's all good though.
Because everybody wanna be the king of the South. They ain't running the damn thing, but they know no doubt. It's all good. Y'all just stay y'all opinion. In the South and it's good, it's understood. What I'm saying is a given. And not because of what I'm doing for a living. It's more because of what I'm doing. How I'm moving. Not to mention when I'm rapping, I just heard shit. It's still chilling on some